Welcome to this wonderful home in Kissimmee, Florida. This is an apartment. It's about 15 minutes away from Disney. Right now we're currently looking for a long-term lease, but it's also can be used for an Airbnb if we don't have a tenant. It's about over 1,300 square feet, and there's 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. As you can see, the fridge is new. They have a nice little air fryer, stove. Very spacious. You have a nice work desk right there. You can work on your laptop. The bathroom is very nice and clean. Everything looks spectacular, spotless. It's furnished, as you can see. Also has a washer and dryer. 3rd bedroom. Nice bathroom with another spacious closet as well. And believe it or not, you get all of this for $2,450. You can comment down below, share this video to someone you know that is looking for an apartment in Central Florida. You can DM me or give me a call.